ಆ ಆ
Third chapter, Air We Breathe. Warm up. Read this poem about the wind. Read this poem about the wind. What is the wind? So, who has seen the wind? Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang, trembling, the wind has passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when a trees blow down their heads, the wind is passing by. So, this is a windless poem. Can you see the wind? How do you know it is blowing? Now we will learning the air we breathe. What that one? Look ahead. So, air around us, uses of air, keeping air clean. Okay, now air around us and uses of what? Uses of air and keeping air. How we are keeping the air clean? Air around us. Air around us. Air is made up of different gases. Air is made up of different gases. We cannot see air. We cannot see the air. Can you see the air? No. So we cannot see the air, but we can feel it. How? Just you hold your finger and just you blow yourself in front of the hands. Oof, the air is touching to you, so you can feel it. Now take an empty glass bottle, turn it upside. What you have to do? Turn it upside down. Take a bottle and turn it upside down. Now dip the open mouth. Now we are dipping your open mouth. You try in the home. Okay. And the bottle into the bucket filled. The bucket you have to fill with the water as shown here. Does water enter into the bottle? Yes, it is enter. So now tilt the bottle. Now tilt the bottle slightly. You will see and hear bubbles coming out the bottle. Just you tell, that is what happened. Bubbles is coming out of the bottle. Can you guess what was it in bottle? Yes, you are right. It is a air. What is that one? Air. It was present in the water. The bubbles are coming outside. What happened? Air in it. The bottle was not empty. The bottle was not empty. In fact, it was filled completely with the air. The bottle is empty when you are filling the water. What happened? The air, the bubbles is coming out. The air is coming out. So, air, even when you turn it upside down, water could not enter the bottle. Okay, when you are upside down, the water is not enter. So bottle, when the bottle was pushed straight, push your straight, then face down, as there was no place, that is a space for the air. There was no space for the air inside to escape. When the bottle was titled, what happened? The air was able to escape out in the form of bubble. How it is going outside? In the form of bubbles. And water filled up the empty space that the air had occupied. So water is filling when the empty, this is a air is occupied, no, the empty, and afterwards it is going on has a bubble. So afterwards we are filling the water. Did you know we breathe in and out 20,000 times a day? 20,000 times a day we are breathe in and out. We need air. How we need air? All plants and animals need air. All plants and yes. Without air we can't live, no? So we need air. So plants and animals take in air. We also need air to make a fire. We also need air to make a fire. If you cover the burning candle with a glass, if you cover the burning candles with a glass, what happened? The candle burns for some time and afterward it goes off. Then the flame goes off. This happen because the candle need air. Why it is a air we want? When you are closing that one candle, burning candle, you are closing with the glass, then what happened? The air is not comes and we are covering that one glass, and what happened? The air goes, the flame goes off. When glass cover the candle, air does not reach the flame. The air is not reaching the flame. If it is not reaching, the air is not comes, the candle is not burned. So the candle does not burn anymore. Keeping air clean. We need air to live. We need air to live. We must keep it clean. We have to make it clean. And here are some ways in which we can help keep the air clean. We have to make to help that one air clean. Get our vehicles checked. If they give out too much smoke, if it is smoke is comes, you have to check that one. Building factories far away from the residential areas. That is a day buildings, factories. Building factories are, that is a far from our house. Plant more trees they help in cleaning the air. Plant, we have to make a plant, that is a more trees, then the air is clean. Wrap up. Cleaning air, that is air clean. Regular maintenance of vehicle. Factories to be set up away from the residential area. Planting more trees. So air has no color. The air has no color, no smell. The air has no smell. Air has no taste. Air fills any space. Air can fills any space. So plant and animals need air to stay alive. So we have to, what we want? We need air. So evaluate now. Things you know. Choose correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. Everywhere, see, air, fire. We need dash to breathe. Air, we need air not to breathe. We cannot see the air. Air is present everywhere. We need air to make fire. Be one true or a false. So plants need air to live. Yes, true. Smoke makes air clean. No, false. Seat one. Take right for the statement. Yes, that is are correct, and cross are those that are wrong. A candle needs air to burn. Yes, candle need air to burn. We can see air. No, we cannot see the air. So this is a false. Answer in a one or a two words. Does the candle continue burn in a figure? Figure second they are asking. So in figure here it is a air, and second one no. So when the glass cover, when we are covering the glass, what happened? Air does not reach to the flame. So it is a goes off. So each one answer in a sentence. Who need air? Answer in a sentence. Who need air? Answer: all plants and animals need air. Plants, animals and people breathe in air. Second, how can we help to keep the air clean? Answer: we can help to keep the air clean by repairing our vehicle if they give out too much smoke. Building factories far away from residential areas and planting more trees as they help in cleaning the air. This is a question answers. Then all exercise part you have to write on in a fair book. Okay, bye.